Okay, right. Today is the 12th of August, 2025. Crazy revision with KEL review of the DAX market. So we're going to use the learning on DAX, and then we will look on how to use it on other markets later. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so let's look at DAX yesterday. And DAX yesterday opened at 24,244. Then the MLP was at 24,202. Okay, and the MA30 was 24,115. All right, so we're going to talk about these three things later. But the point I want to express very importantly is a diamond over here. Now, this diamond, when it was there itself, right, the first thing you need to do is to put a line at the closing price, which is here, right? Okay, so this is the diamond line, which is the closing price of the candle that has a diamond, and that price itself is 24,197. Okay, so this one, take note, yeah, is the diamond line. So now let's look at the remaining important information, which is that the KSI. The KSI was red yesterday. The KCX was black yesterday, so it's a mixed signal. So if the market stays above OP, by right, it will go for this number, which is 24,323. But instead, the market goes below OP, and that was where the KCL line plays a very big part. If the market, the diamond line, sorry, the diamond line, if it breaks the diamond line, it will be a sell. Okay, it will be a sell. And you can see the market goes down all the way and pierce down below the MA30 before it rebounded. So let's look at the 5-minute chart right now on how do you trade yesterday. Yeah. So let's go to the 5-minute chart of yesterday's chart. Okay, so let's take a look here, everyone. Okay, so let me just bring it in. All right, so this morning, yesterday, DAX, when it was sideways, the first thing that caught my attention was the DAX have a diamond here. So you draw a line at the closing price. So as long as the market is above OP, right, you look for buy, which is nothing wrong, yeah? But if you notice this, after that, the market reverse and it breaks below the diamond line on the 5-minute chart and also break the opening price of it. So this will be a very, very strong sell, okay? This is going to be a very strong sell. Okay, very, very strong sell. And then once it breaks below here, you sell, it's below OP. And then remember, this is the diamond line from the day chart of the previous time. And once the market breaks down and goes below the diamond line, it was a confirmed sell. And the market goes down all the way to KTR -1 very nicely. And then it goes down very nicely to the MLP, the MA. That's why you see the green line coming up. Okay. And then after that, you can see it smashed down further all the way to KTR -2 and touches the KCB, no, missed the KCB by a fraction and rebounded and stalled around here. All right, so you can see that how powerful the signal is. You just draw a line, it breaks below the OP, you sell, it breaks below the diamond line, you sell all the way until you see KTR -2 given. Okay. Then after that, you can see it's had to formulate a base where I can draw this, and there was some recovery. Then it failed again, it breaks down, another diamond again appear. It did go up to KTR +1, -1 this time, but resisted and then come back down again. So this has been ongoing flip-flopping for quite a while until the later part of the day. You have a stacked diamond. Now, stacked diamond is definitely stronger than the normal diamond, and that's why the price goes up, because the boys were all buying at the same time. So the thing is this, for DAX, usually the first 1.5 hour will be the best time to trade. Normally, I will trade for the first 1.5 hour for DAX, and after that, I don't really bother. Now, reason is because, as I said again, the market itself, right, you don't need to trade every single moment. You just trade according to plan. And once you know the day chart, what to do, you can utilize it back on the 5-minute chart and trade accordingly yourself. Yeah. So you can see that how you can trade using the simple line strategy. And when you break the diamond line on the day chart, you can double sell on the market. And you can see that the market once hit KTR -2, the remaining itself, it goes sideways because the market is now part and parcel of the entire movement downwards. Yeah. So usually after that, when the market hit KTR -2 or KTR +2, normally the aftermath, I don't really trade because I know that it goes sideways. You won't really have anything. You can see at the end of the day, the market just stagnant all the way. Yeah, all the way. Okay. All right, so that will be all for today's review sharing. I want you now to use whatever I share today and trade into the market. Now, if there's going to be any need that you need us to clarify for you, let us know. We will come and assist you yourself. But again, I will say this, guys. If you watched my video yesterday, my MAO video, be careful. I believe that moving forward, there will be some bigger movement coming in. Right, till then, again, guys, this is Kel signing off. Take care and have a good time in the market. Bye-bye.